All right, students, let's look at this question. Let's look at this question. If I have 1 over 4 times 2 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n plus 2, what will be the simplification form answer to this question? If I want to simplify this now, what I'm going to have? The first thing, since the bases are 2, we're going to convert that 4 to a base of 2. So we're going to have 1 over 2 raised to power 2 will be equal to 4, and 2 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n plus 2. That's what I'm going to have. And the next thing, I'm going to apply this rule of indices. If you have 1, okay, if you have a, okay, let me just do it this way. If you have 1 over a raised to power m, you see it here as a raised to power minus m. If you have a raised to power minus m, we see it here as 1 over a raised to power m. You can interchange them. So we want to convert this one now to this using this rule. That's what we want to do now. We want to move this one upward, and the power will change sign to negative sign. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's do that now. Let's quickly do that to see what we are going to have. So we're going to have 2 times 1 is 2 raised to power, the power will change sign to negative 2, then times 2 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n plus 2. So the next thing now, we are going to have, we use it to open the bracket. It will be 2 times this, then also 2 times this. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have 2 raised to power minus 2 times 2 raised to power 10 minus this same 2 times this other one. That is 2 raised to power minus 2 times 2 raised to power n plus 2. That's n plus 2. So now I want to apply another rule of indices. What is the rule? Look at the rule. They said if I have a raised to power m times a raised to power n to be a raised to power m plus n, and if I have a raised to power n plus, okay, n plus n, let me be using n plus n, it will be the same thing as the same a raised to power m times the same a raised to power what? N. The same way this is equal to this, we can also write it as this is equals to this. You can do it interchangeably. So that's what I'm trying to say. So if you have any number raised to power, let's say you have something like this now. Let's say you have something like this now. 2 raised to power 3 times, okay, let me write so I can see it. Let me write so I can see it. I want you to understand this thing very, very well. If you have something like this, 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power n. This one will be 2 raised to power 3 plus n from the rule of indices. So I want to apply it to this now. We have 2 raised to power n minus 2 times 2 raised to power n. We'll first apply it there to see what we are going to have. Let's go. All right. So 2 raised to power minus 2 times 2 raised to power n. All that we're going to have, we pick one of the base, we add the power. So we're going to have minus 2 plus n minus 2 raised to power minus 2 times 2 raised to power n plus 2. That will be, you pick one of the base, then you add up the power, minus 2 plus n plus 2. Then the next n plus 2. Then the next thing now, let's try and add up. Now I would like to write this plus n first in this place. I would like to write this plus n first. So remember, whether plus n or n, they are still the same thing. So I'm going to have 2 raised to power. I will write this n first. That is n. If I will write this minus 2. Although you can also write it this way, no problem. You can also write it the first way, minus 2 plus n is still very good. It's still correct. Then minus. Now, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. That will go. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. That is 2 raised to power n. So this will be the answer. The answer will be 2 raised to power n minus 2 minus 2 raised to power n. That's the answer to the question. 2 raised to power n minus 2 minus 2 raised to power what? N. That is the answer. So please ensure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a nice video, you'll be the first person to receive it. Also like this video and share it to others. So thank you, God bless you.